How's it going, guys? My name is Christian Mooney and I'm a sales consultant here at Matthews Chevrolet on Old Vessel Road. Today I just want to go over a quick little setup and tutorial on Apple CarPlay for those who aren't familiar with it. It's real easy. All you really got to do, once you plug in your Apple charger, connect it into your phone, make sure it's unlocked. Because I've already set it up on this car, normally there's an acceptance notice that pulls up, just says, okay, yeah, let me, hook up my phone. But because I already did that, I'm just going to go right ahead into here. From here, this is basically your main phone screen on your dashboard, which is pretty cool. From here, you can go through your phone list. If you got any calls on there, you can make calls, dial up. However, you can't dial while you're driving. That is going to be a safety feature because I don't want you taking your eyes off the road. As well as you can go through your texts, click on them. Siri will read your text back to you, and you can tell it what to say back. Your music settings, you can go through here. Whatever music you listen to, country, hip-hop, Metallica, up to you. Find it all in here in your songs, genres, playlists. As well, you can also slide over, you can place more apps in this menu. Another feature in here you have is if right here in the bottom left corner, what that's going to do is it's going to pop up your navigation as well as your music. You can go in here and it will have presets certain for restaurants, gas stations, parking lots, or you can ask it, hey Siri, take me to the closest gas station.
The closest one I see is Speedway on Vestal Parkway East. Let me know if you want to hear the whole list.
We don't got to go through that whole list, but that's the closest gas station.
Starting route to Speedway.
And it's going to set it right up for you. It's that easy.
Proceed to Vestal Road, then turn left.
I interrupted her. Very similar with Android Auto. I'll get to one of those videos in the future here, but I just wanted to go over a quick overview on the Apple CarPlay itself. If you guys have any questions on this or want to know more, feel free to message me at any time you would like.